What are you doing with the baby? Oh, we're taking her diaper off. Are you gonna feed her? Feed the baby. Can you feed the baby, Charlotte? That's right. Good girl. That's good feeding the baby. Can you burp the baby now? Burp the baby. Aw, that's so nice, Charlotte. What a good mommy. What are you going to do with her? Aw, you're putting her in the basket. Oh, that's so nice. What a nice girl you are. Are you saying night-night to her? Give her kisses. Aw, nice kisses for the baby. Good girl. What are you going to do with her now? Aw, can you burp the baby? Good job. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.